guys and gals, GearHeadGirl here. If you have a 2000 Facelift Civic, only made for 6 months, and you've either bashed your headlight or melted them, well, today we're going to show you how to replace them with the correct headlight. This is the incorrect headlight for this particular rare model, and you must get this headlight, which I know looks very similar, but we're about to go over those differences. Now, this is a very interesting Civic. Apparently, the type of headlight that this particular Civic takes was only made for 6 months. So, before this model, you had one that kind of looked like this, except this part was yellow. Same shape, bolts, all that. So this, with this part yellow, was the original. And then they went, this is the facelift model. So with the facelift model, I don't know if you guys can tell here, the curvature right here is a little bit different. And then this part has been condensed. But it's still pretty much, it'll actually go in there, it'll bolt in, it just won't look right, it won't be good. So you need this special facelift model that they only did for 6 months. So, today we're going to show you how to correctly install our nice new facelift model into this particular Civic. So to replace your headlights, you're going to want to remove your front grille and the bumper. So we start, we're gonna just plug, this is a real easy plug and play. You're gonna plug this one in, you're gonna plug this one in, and then this one over here. So we have the 3 plugs that we're gonna plug in first. Okay. That's our main bulb. And there we go. After that, we're going to mount it. And get it seated, and then we're going to screw in those 2 clips at the top. So we got our bolts in, and we're just gonna tighten them down. So we got 1 there, we got 2 up here. And then you've got this last one right down here. And we're just going to tighten all those down to mount the headlight. And you're just going to do the same thing on the other side. So you've got your clips. 1, 2, 3. And then you're going to mount it up and do 4 bolts and ratchet it down just like you did on the other side. Alright, so before you bolt them down, you want to make sure they all work. So we've got headlights, high beams, turn signals. Alright. So we've got our headlight in. You have a 10mm right back here. 2 up here, 1, 2, and then another one right here. So we will just ratchet that down. And we've plugged in our 3 plugs, and then we'll be good to go. Alright, so we've got the one here, so we're just going to tighten that down. Okay, and we got the 2 on top. And these are plastic, so you don't want to over torque them. So you want to look up your manufacturer spec. That's going to be recommended. And then our final one, way back over here on the side. Good deal. Now that you've installed your headlights, you can reinstall your bumper. Alright, after you've done the bumper, then you install the grille and you're almost done. And now that your grille's installed, you can shut your hood and you'll be all done. And now your facelift Civic is all happy with brand new headlights. Yay! Happy car, happy lights. Alright, thanks for watching, guys, as we replaced our melted broken headlights with nice new EK3 facelift model headlights. So yeah.
Check us out online at GearHeadGirl69.com or GHG69.com, or follow us on Instagram at GearHeadGirl69.